In this tutorial, you will learn how to share files and directories on Dropbox using FileZilla Pro. Launch FileZilla Pro. If you don't have a Dropbox connection, create a new site entry. In the Site Manager dialog box, click New to create a new connection. Select Dropbox as the protocol. Click Connect to establish the connection and authorize FileZilla Pro's access to your Dropbox storage. Enter your Dropbox credentials and click Log In. Grant FileZilla Pro access to your Dropbox account. Once connected, you will see your files and directories on the right side. To share a file or folder, right-click in the entry list and choose Share. You can select multiple files or directories. The sharing window will open, displaying the selected entries. Select an entry. Click Create to generate a shared link. In the Create Shared Link window, select the access type, viewer or editor, and who can access the link, anyone or invited users. Click OK to create the link, which will be shown in the entry list. You can remove the link or copy it to the clipboard. To share the file or directory, click the Add button. The Add Member dialog will appear. Enter one or more email addresses. You can also enter a custom message. Dropbox will include it in the notification email. Choose the collaborators role, editor, viewer, or viewer no comment, and click OK to add the collaborator. The list of collaborators is updated, and you can remove a member by selecting them and clicking the Remove button. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.